Woo! Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. So we're going to talk about what we can expect in the next 4 to 5 days in terms of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, and where we're going to go, guys. So, we saw that Bitcoin went as high as about 48,200 in the house only hours ago. We've come down from there already. We're around about $47,480 in the house. So guys and gals, expect a little bit of accumulation for the next 4 to 5 days, and we could see that Bitcoin is going to accumulate between the 46,200 level and as high as 48,000. So we're going to see some accumulation from that perspective. We're going to see the market makers pushing Bitcoin up and down within that range. So that range is going to be between $46,200 and $48,000 in the house. And we can expect Dogecoin to probably drop as well. Right now we can see that the beloved Doge right now is trading around about 1453. Now we did get as high yesterday as 1535. So from that perspective, we can expect that Dogecoin is going to be very much range bound for the next couple of days between 15 and probably 14 cents in the house. So expect between 15 and 14 cents. We're going to get some range bound, some accumulation, guys, but things are not over. Things are not going down. This is just a good, healthy accumulation and consolidation time for cryptocurrency. And so I'm not worried, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this is a great time to be alive, guys. So let's jump into it. We're seeing right now the fear and greed index has gone down from yesterday. Yesterday we were at 60, and that was greed. We're not in the extreme greed yet. And remember, this is a contrarian indicator. So, the little bit of the sentiment dropped yesterday because Bitcoin did go as high as 48,200, and we'll come back down from there, and now we're at $56,000. So accumulation and consolidation is very healthy. As I said, right now, time recording, Bitcoin is at $47,467. So what to expect this week? Expect a little bit of range boundness this week, probably between, as I said, between $48,000 and 46.2. So you can expect some consolidation between this range here. Let's just draw this out to make it very clear for everybody out there. So we can expect a little bit of consolidation right in this area here, and I'm absolutely not too worried about it in the house, guys. You should not be worried about it at all. And it's very healthy to have this kind of a consolidation in the house. And expect a range boundness between around about this area. So you can expect that we're going to be home on a range around about this level, guys. So that is a good place to be. So I'm not too worried about it in the house at all. So let me just get this the OG in the charts, guys. Let me just clean this chart up for you. Let me get it out there for you. Let me get this out of there. So this is what happens when you have big fingers, guys. It just like come on. So we can expect us to be about range bound between this level, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. We're going to keep that this green box for the next. Let's turn it into a white box, guys. So we can expect that the white box level is going to be held for the next couple of days. So that is going to be the consolidation and accumulation for Biddy right now. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. If we look at Biddy on the weekly, we're still looking pretty much healthy right now. So we got this whole consolidation here between 45,000 and 48,000, and that's where we're going to be. It's going to be about 46.2 and 48,000. So right now things are still looking good. We got 5 days and 22 hours left on the weekly candle, so that is pretty good. We're well above the 21-day EMA, so that is cool beans in the house. Some news that's coming in. It looks like Bitcoin long-term hold accumulation hits an all-new high, guys. So you can see here, this is from Will Clemente in the house, and we can see that 45% Bitcoin is off from its highs by about 45%, but we're still seeing that the number of Bitcoin holders is at its highest level ever. So we're seeing that long-term holders are still accumulating in Bitcoin like crazy, guys, and this is a good sign. Even though we got a little bit of retracement, I wouldn't worry about it. It's pure accumulation that's going to happen for the next couple of days, and this is healthy, guys. And we're seeing that right now the number of last active a year ago is increasing increasing and increasing. So that means that these accounts have not been active for more than 1+ years. And what that is telling me is that this is also part of the whole accumulation. The whales are accumulating like crazy, guys. So this also in right now. It looks like Grayscale is getting ready to sue Gary Gensler in the house. The Gary Gensler in the house, because Gary Gensler gets a huge red card from the OG in the house, because what is going on. We've got an ETF spot up in the north. If you look up, Canada's got a huge ETF, and there's no fundamental reason why Gary Gensler should be denying Grayscale an ETF. I mean, Bitcoin is accepted globally. We definitely have a ETF in Canada, so there's no reason to deny an ETF here in the U.S. So that is one of the reasons why Grayscale is going to be taking legal action and suing the SEC, which is kind of interesting because typically the SEC is suing crypto firms, not the other way around. So this is going to be good if Grayscale can absolutely win the suit. That is going to be huge, because if we get a spot ETF for Bitcoin, that is going to send Bitcoin to the moon, guys. And if that happens, what's going to happen to Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Some other stuff that's coming in, you guys may not know that, but Bitcoin has risen 35% since the Russian invasion of Ukraine, with the next resistance at $52,000. So as I said, war is not good for human collateral, but in terms of Bitcoin and the uses of cryptocurrency, war is very good, because when you have banks collapsing because of invasion, the only true currency, the only true hedge against inflation and disasters is Bitcoin, because it's decentralized. It means that Russians and Ukrainians can definitely be buying into crypto and using it as a medium of the transaction exchange. So this is pretty good, guys and gals. So you guys can see here in brief that Bitcoin is up 35% since the invasion, and is currently overbought, suggesting further uptrend in price, according to the bespoke investment analysts foresee two resistance level, 52,000, 65,000. So that's absolutely correct. The next resistance level is going to be about 52,000 for the itty bitty baby, and the next resistance level is around about here, about 52,000. That is going to be a huge key resistance level. Let's just paint that in right now. Let's turn that red. So that is our next resistance level, and then our next resistance level after that is going to be around about $65,000 in the house. So that is pretty darn tootin', and I think we're definitely going to be getting past that. Bitcoin is going to be blasting past that very soon, guys. So that's going to be about our next resistance level. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty bullish on the crypto market, and I still believe that we're going to see Bitcoin, in excess of 100,000 by the summertime. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. So you should love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in right now. We can see that Biden eyes $5 billion in 2023 revenue from applying this reporting rules for the crypto tax bill, guys. So I was expecting that to be a lot more, only $5 billion. That's not relatively small. So let's see how that pans out, and let's see how long Biden stays in office. Oh my God, did I say that? So I just want to give Biden a red card. So this is from Willie Woo. You can see that U.S. investors 11% own gold in 2020, 26% own Bitcoin in 2021, and now 56% own stocks in 2021. You can see that Bitcoin ownership has tripled in the last 3 years. Stocks and gold remain stagnant, guys. So a lot of smart investors, a lot of young investors are aping into crypto, aping into Bitcoin, and everybody knows that this is the absolute financial revolution right in front of our eyes, and things are going to be going uppity up. Some other stuff that's coming in right now, you guys may not know that you can look at BTC ownership, is that, from Willie Wood, in 2018 we only had 2%, in 2021 we had 6%, and now 2021 the Bitcoin ownership has jumped to 18%, and we're seeing that a lot of people younger than 50 years old are aping into crypto, and this is a very bullish sign, guys. So you guys can see here right now that Bitcoin was engineered to increase forever in price and security. So you can see that in 2010 to where we are now, we can see that Bitcoin prices just continue going uppity up, and this is really bullish, guys, absolutely bullish. And Bitcoin will continue to go up. We're not making any more. We're almost at the last halving. 91% of all Bitcoin has been mined right now, and we're seeing that long-term holders are hodling like crazy. We're seeing the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges going down, down. So at some point, Bitcoin is going to absolutely explode in the house, guys, and Bitcoin will hit 100,000 this summer. We're going to see all-time high for Dogecoin coming in. So, we should see 69.71 cents. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is increasing forever and ever, and this is fundamentally a huge win for everybody, guys. So this is cool, guys. We're also seeing that this from TechDev, and a 3-week vortex indicator indicates a bullish cross confirmed. This is the 5th in the last 10 years when this has happened, and every time that we have the Bitcoin cross the 3-week vortex, we see that Bitcoin is absolutely going to go to the moon, guys. And last time we saw this was when we had an all-time high here. You know, when we had it here and then we hit an all-time high. We're about to have it here, and I definitely believe that this is going to signal $100,000 Bitcoin coming in, guys. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. As I said in the previous videos, the 1-year-old candle has just turned green for the first time, guys, closing 9 months and 4 days. So that is pretty good, guys, that we're seeing this 1-year candle finally turning green. The Bitcoin on the weekly is above the 21-day EMA, so that is pretty cool news. Let's take a look at the Doge informatics right now. So Doge is still looking pretty strong, a little healthy, even though we got that little bit of consolidation. We're seeing Doge down right now, down 1.79%. We're seeing it as 14.5. As I said, we're going to see Dogecoin a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of accumulation, a little bit of range boundness for the next 3 to 4 days. So nothing really to worry about, nothing really to panic, guys. So let's just take a look at the Doge again. We're going to see accumulation. It's a Doge at 14.52 right now. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. Still, the leverage apes are going nuts in the house. We have 445 million apes have been wrecked, guys, and we're still seeing a lot of short positions. So that is pretty good. The more shorts that build up, that's going to put a short squeeze pressure on the markets, and that is going to push Bitcoin price higher and higher. It's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is absolutely doing very well. Ethereum is about to break past our $3,500 resistance level, and Ethereum is at $3,376. So Ethereum on the daily is looking very good. Sure, there's a little bit of volatility. I mean, we did see that yesterday Ethereum did hit a high as $344. We've come down a little bit. That's because Bitcoin has come down as well. So let's take a look at Solana in-house. So Solana yesterday, it did hit a high of 114 bucks. It has come down a little bit from that, and Solana right now is trading at 109. So I'm not worried about it. The reason we're seeing Solana going down is because, you know, we're seeing some of the gas taken out of the markets for Bitcoin, and some of the reason that is there's been some profit taking out there. So that is what has been going on with that. But we're going to get a huge reversal coming, and we can see a little bit of range boundness. We're seeing the Phantom right now as a buck 42 in the house, and I wouldn't worry about it. We got some huge support around about here at a buck 35. So Phantom is still looking okay. Sure, it's being trapped a little bit by Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes down, we're going to see all the broader markets going down, guys. So that's not too bad. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. We're seeing a 2.17 trillion in the house. The volumes are very good at 85 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars is pretty much steady where it was yesterday at 41.57 in the house, guys. Let's take a look at the coinage in the house right now. Let's get some coinage in the house. So we're still seeing that Bitcoin is up 1% in the last 24 hours. So that's pretty good. It's 47.5458. Ethereum is still up 2% right now, and it's at 3376. We're seeing BNB is above 400 bucks. That's where we need to be. ADA has come down. It's like a buck 24 yesterday. It's come down, but it's still up 1.9%. So that's pretty good. Luna Tuna is up 10%. Solana is up 2%. Avalanche is up 2%, and the Doge Warrior down 2% right now. So hopefully we get a little bit of reversal coming in soon. There's been a little bit of profit taken. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Shiba Inu is still up 4.6%, and overall the crypto markets are looking pretty green, guys. If you look at our crypto daily trade signal portfolio, and this we made online together, we can see that we're down like 100 bucks in the last 24 hours, but 7 days are still up 17.91% on the crypto daily trade signals portfolio. Remember, this is absolutely not financial advice, guys. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats, guys. Super chats would be very much welcomed and appreciated. Do go and follow me on my Twitter. Go down there, follow, guys. And if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, show some love in the house, and it's a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, webby. Don't forget to go down there and check out all the linkies, guys. And don't forget to check out the wifey's channel. You want it, I want it, and of course, don't forget to jump in, merch up, gear up with the OG gear. Get it while you can, guys. It's absolutely a great time to be alive, guys. So that's going to end it for here right now, guys. So you know, things are looking pretty good. Things are looking okay. The pre-markets are mixed right now, but overall we're seeing the heat map is looking good. So God bless each and every one. I love it. You love it. Let's get it right now. Woo!